Welcome to ManyChat. This is going to blow your mind. You can say thank you now because this is going to save you so much time. And it is so professional for your business to have this because you are going to not lose any leads and any connection with anybody with this. So it's great. On the side here, you can see you have a list of things here. I've clicked on automation and clicked on add new automation. So if we have a quick look over here, the blue button that's here, click on new automation. Now, they have a bunch of templates and things that you can do and explains exactly what they are. So this one here converts your Instagram comments into sales. So that's when you make a post or a reel or even a story, you can do that as well. And you will say comment, lash course, and I'll send you the details straight away. So if you've been wondering how people do that and all of a sudden they're inboxing you straight away, it's because they're using this program. So converting your Instagram comments into sales means that you can then say hello, introduce yourself, and invite them into something like a little freebie that you have. Maybe a freebie might have a little bit of information about the course. It might be a presentation, or it might lead to your new Canva website where you've got all the details about your training programs there. So it can be literally anything. You can just have it so you're making contact with someone and you're not salesy too, so you can say hello and you can ask them questions and start a conversation with them as well, which is really great for building rapport with your clients and building trust, which is the main thing you want to do. So you can pick one of these. There's here, use Instagram stories to generate more leads. So there's the stories one, show off your website to new visitors. There's heaps of different things you can do. So if you are wanting to utilize social media to then get them into your email list so that you can then update them, which is what I suggest to do, then, any courses, any updates that you're doing, you've got their details in an email and you're building an email list. So that's great. So maybe we should click on convert your Instagram comments to sales because this one's one of the most popular ones we use. So you can set up a template and you can reuse this template. So here you can delete this. It says watch a brief video, which is a tutorial. So then you can watch that as well. I'll just delete it for now. So I'm just going to show you. So here you will, when you sign up to ManyChat, it will ask you to connect to your services. So your Instagram, Facebook, however you want to use ManyChat, it will give you the options. So in here, in this section here, user will comment. So this is something that they will be doing. A user will comment on your post or reel, and then what is going to happen? So you will add a trigger. So the user clicks an Instagram ad, the user comments on your post or reel. So in this case, someone's going to comment on your post about your product that you're selling, your course that you're selling. So we're going to click on that one. Now here is a bunch of options that will turn up here too as well. So specific post or reel. So actually this is great because anything that you've already posted, it will make sure it connects to that. You can also select all post or reels, which is a great idea, or you can have it specifically on a specific post. So it's totally up to you. I'm going to click on all posts and reels and click on continue. So these are specific keywords. So say your comments include these keywords. So if you are building a course, a beauty course, maybe you want to get them to comment something very simple like beauty. Comment beauty and I'll send you the details for our next intake. So beauty, I also like to spell it in a different way as well. So add a keyword with capital B in all the different ways that someone will type it, just in case that it doesn't send it through. Any exclusions for keywords as well can go in here, and then you're going to continue. So yes, would you like to set up a public reply in the feed? So there's lots of options here. You can actually make it your own. I'm just going to click no for now. Oh, let's just click sent the link. Sent the link, girlfriend. So we can add that in. Sorry. Oh no. Okay, add that in. Oh, it's asking for 3. Check DM. Woohoo! See DM. You can add whatever. So you have to put in 3. Then you're going to save. And then it's going to ask you for what's going to be next. So you've saved the keywords. Then what's going to happen is when they've commented, you will actually send them, once they've commented that word, you are automatically going to send them a DM. So in this DM, this is the next trigger here. You're going to click on here and you will be able to edit this. So you can write in all about your beauty course here, all the details, or you can say just hello, how are you? Are you currently in the beauty industry? You can say, I am so glad you found me, blah, blah, blah. So you put in the details there. And then on here, you can click add button. And this is where you can put in your links. So you can add your link to your website, to your email address. So you can click on email here and you can send in your details. You can say, pop in your email and I'll send you a free presentation on what our course entails or what's included. So this is a way you can use ManyChat. I hope this has helped. This will get you started. And if you have any more questions, let me know.